Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel. It's simple and easy, but you need to do it correct way. Otherwise, you will be unable to activate monetization. Okay, so now I'm going to youtube.com. Then you need to sign into the YouTube. You can see in the top right side you can sign in. Then you need to log into your Gmail account. Okay, here I have activated two-step verification, that's why this comes to me. Then I enter my code to this space. Click next. Okay, now we have logged to youtube.com. Now I'm going to create YouTube channel. Click on that, you can see create YouTube channel. After that, it's asking that is here. You have two options. You can create a YouTube channel for your Google account name, or you can use another name for your YouTube channel. Here I recommend you to use another name, I mean use as a brand name. You need to create brand account for that, so click on that, select. Now you need to put here your channel name. It will be your name or your brand name, whatever you like to put in your channel. And here I put my channel name as Kiana Bro as my YouTube channel name. Put tick here, then create. Here again they are asking to verify phone number, so I put my phone number again. Click there, and again they will send us a code and enter here. Okay, click there. It is almost done. Now we have created our YouTube channel. They're almost done. I will add these details later, then you can see how it's look like. And thank you for watching our video. Comment below for any questions. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you very much.